Gottipati. And my name is Gottipati. We're from TMSA Academy, or Triangle Math and Science Academy, in Valley, North Carolina. We are in 6th grade, and we have a science teacher named Mr. Pamuk who arranged the balloon-powered race for us. And with this car, we came first place, and now we'll go to the STEM state championships. So this is our car. Its basic outline, or the base of the car, is made from cardboard box, and the orange wheels are Gatorade bottle caps. And then here on the back of it, we have bamboo skewers and straws to hold up the axles, and we have a straw to blow up the 9-inch balloon, obviously. And then, so today we have a basketball court, and inside the basketball court we have 3 tape measures. One tape measures 300, another measures 144, and the last one measures 60. So we're going to use those tape measures to find out the total distance of the car that it travels. So we have 2 points. One is the starting point and one is the finish point. So we want to make sure, we want to see if our car finishes the finish line. So, by the way, our car's called the Neptune's Lightning Fast. So Nishan will blow the car up while I find the unit and find out how far it goes. Okay, let's begin. 1, 2, 3, and start. Yes, we finished the first line. So we have 60 inches over here, 144 inches plus 300 inches. So our total distance covered is 504 inches, and this is our car we'll be competing with. And then we finished the finish line.